We all experience unexpected weather and driving conditions at some point in our lives. Whether it's commuting from work, a road trip with family, or a trip to the store, it's important to be safe when visibility and road conditions are tough. Fog lights help give better visibility to drivers in a number of situations, keeping you and your passengers safe. The best fog lights are better suited to deal with low visibility situations like fog, dust, heavy rain, and drifting snow. 1. Sealight LED fog lights. We're impressed with these fog lights, a set of budget bulbs that come in at only about $20 per set. While inexpensive, they're still impressively featured in terms of stats. 4,800 lumens is double that of other economical bulbs. A 6,000 degrees Kelvin tint produces a colorless, sharp, white light, and their LEDs are made with proprietary 6 CPS technology, producing crisp light that doesn't diffuse over longer distances. 2. ALA Lighting H11 LED fog light bulbs fitting into the H11 mounting standard and with a 6,000 degrees Kelvin, ultra-bright white temperature. These are beyond the pure white standard of 5,000 degrees Kelvin into blue light territory. While most drivers prefer yellow for extremely foggy conditions, plenty of drivers prefer the sharp, blue light these bulbs provide, especially in light fog or rain conditions. 3. Hikari Ultra Fog Light Conversion Kit. If you're looking for some ultra-high-end lights for your tuner car or JDM vehicle, this set from manufacturer Hikari could be what you're looking for. They're more heavily engineered than competitor products, with plenty of thought put into all aspects. From heat retention to light pattern and even the graphics on the lights themselves, there's a reason these are the most expensive on our list by a factor of about 2. The heatsink, counterintuitively, isn't necessarily for overheating. LEDs run pretty cold anyways. Instead, it improves the focus, yielding to a more concentrated beam that projects light in a tight spread, great for fog, rain, and snow. 4. AUXITO LED fog light bulbs. The AUXITO H11, H8, H16 LED fog light bulbs are compatible with 99% of vehicles. These fog lights are equipped with chip-scale package LED chips, making the bulbs 300% brighter than halogen lights. CSP LED chips are micro-sized, high-performance LED chips, so the AUXITO fog lights contain more LED chips than other fog lights, creating a brighter light. The AUXITO fog lights have a fanless design to avoid dust and debris from getting inside. The compact design, created with full-body aluminum material, keeps the light from overheating and burning out. 5. OFFROADTOWN LED fog lights. The off-road town LED fog lights meet the SAE J583 standard for fog lights used on public roads. That means you can use them without blinding other drivers at night, and if you ever use them in actual fog, they won't blind you. The body and brackets are both made of aluminum, so rust will never be an issue. It also means they are nice and lightweight, so they won't make whatever plastic parts you mount them to sag over time. Like most fog light kits, you get a wiring harness and switch. They also include a 2-year replacement warranty. 6. Hella FF75 Fog Lamp Kit. The FF75 isn't a cluster of LEDs. It isn't one big projector. It is a classic halogen bulb with a mirror reflector behind a glass lens. That mirror is notable, however, as it is what is called a free-form reflector. For most of the history of the automobile, light reflectors were symmetric paraboloids which were then cut off by lenses or shades. Once computers were powerful enough, Hella began calculating the 3-dimensional shapes necessary to use all the light coming from the bulb and getting it exactly where it needs to be on the road. The FF75 has a wide, flat, and low spread of light ideal for lighting up the road and not bouncing light off the fog, snow, or rain back at the driver.